Focus on Amanda has remained pretty much the same during the next 12 hours. Still wet new and west northwestward, but starting to turn west, going to move west southwestward and weaken slowly into a remnant low in the next couple of days. As you can see in the advisory, satellite data still supports 40 knots. It's gonna be weakening over the next few days. That vectors has started weakening. Um, what can I say? We west around 9 knots. Right to a below ridge. This is the man was for a westward motion today before the storm to the southwest on Saturday as the ridge builds to its north. And what can I say? Here it is. That's what we have on this. Now we're going to talk about a few other systems. Want to get a form off Mexico in the next few days. It's already 91E. I mean, environmental conditions are favorable for depression to form this week or early next week. At 40% in the next 2 days, 70% in the next 7. Later on, a system will form offshore Central America. 30% in the next 2 days, 60% in the next 7. Yeah. Later this week or early next week, it's going to move slowly northward towards the coast of Central America. We had to watch this emerging in the Caribbean and the Gulf later on. That could very well happen. It is possible. First thing first, 91E. Yeah, here it is. Doesn't look that good right now, but this system definitely has model support for development. It's going to head northeastward towards the Mexican coast. It has decent model support for a tropical storm or even a hurricane, as you can see. EPS also shows this. Intensity, I mean, some will show tropical storm in the next 48 to 60 hours before weakening, probably from landfall. Yeah. The other system that forms off Central America, I mean, we've been watching. Here's both systems right here on the GFS. 72 shows both systems. Let's go to 96. Shows both systems. Actually, probably pretty much both borderline hurricanes make a landfall, but at the same time, this is going to be interesting. I mean, if that's the case, 2 potential hurricanes making landfall. I mean, that's something you don't see every day, that's for sure. Let's go to 120. Yeah. Let's go to 144. Boom. This energy is going to move northward into the Gulf, and we have to watch for some development. As you can see, you got a low pressure right here off Florida. I mean, ECMWF. Yeah. Only got out at 144 for some reason. That's weird, but CMC. Let's go back to 102 for CMC. It definitely shows a southern system. 96. It shows a southern system. 72. It shows both systems. Let's look at icon. Yeah, it shows the northern system. Let's go to 84. It kind of shows both systems. Let's go out to 180. It doesn't show anything in the Gulf at 180. Let's go to 210. Nothing in the Gulf. Let's look at the GFS. Actually shows another close ice bore for this point. Let's go to 216. Show another low pressure for 216. 246. Oh, wow, look at that. Up Florida. So we're very much going to be watching low pressure, feet of moisture heading to Florida. And one of them could be a tropical cyclone. We'll have to see. But there really is no established setup or reasoning. So it's something to watch. That's for sure. This is AI GFS. AF ECMWF for this time frame. Maybe the Bacon PC. Well, now we're gonna look at 91W. And what can I say? I mean, has it become any better? It has been moving over Taiwan. Should move northeastward towards Japan in the next few days. Um, Here it is. It's right about here. We'll see if it develops anything. That's your Worldwatch.